Good morning all. Today we'll do the chemical properties of alcohol. Alcohol, that is, specially we are doing what? We are doing ethanol. Okay, किसके लिए हम लोग? ethanol का. I've given you some letters C, D, E, O, S. ठीक है? It has got some meaning to it. It has got some meaning or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका मैंने कुछ बताया था ना आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
This is combustion, then dehydration, E से esterification, O से oxidation, S से sodium metal test. So these are the things which we are going to read in what? In the chemical properties of ethanol. First of all, C2H5OH. ठीक है? Combustion जब भी होगा, whenever there will be combustion, then what are you going to get? You are going to react it with oxygen. On heating, what are you going to get?
Carbon dioxide and water.
Carbon dioxide and water.
CO2 and H2O. Now you need to balance it. So it will be 3, it will be 2, and now oxygen will be 3. Everything is balanced. So you must remember that whenever combustion of any carbon compound is taking place, then what we are going to get? We are going to get carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Next क्या है? Dehydration. Dehydration का मतलब क्या होता है? Dehydration means removal of water. Dehydration means what? Removal of what? H2O. So how can H2O will be removed? How will it be removed? We are going to make use of certain dehydrating agent. Okay? इसके लिए किस चीज का यूज करना होगा? Dehydrating agent. And what is this dehydrating agent? That is conc H2SO4. Okay, conc H2SO4 acts as what? Acts as an dehydrating agent. तो सिंपली क्या करना है? C2H5OH का हम लोग क्या करवाएंगे? conc H2SO4 के प्रेजेंस में इसको हिट किया जाएगा. जब इसको हिट किया जाएगा, then water will be removed. Water molecule is going to be removed. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल विल बी रिमूव. तो यहां से एक H निकल जाएगा और यहाँ का OH निकल जाएगा. तो व्हाट यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ? बचेगा क्या आपके पास?
C2H4.
क्या बचेगा? C2. बोर्ड क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
You will get what? You will get C2H4. And what is this C2H4? This is an unsaturated compound. That is called what? That is ethene. क्या है ये? ये है ethene. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्या है? ये तो हो गया डिहाइड्रेशन हो गया. नेक्स्ट है esterification. Esterification. So what is this esterification? Have I discussed with you, ma'am? Please keep your phone in front of phone. Why to keep phone? Who is telling this? फोन रखने से क्या होगा? Hello? And topic is what? From the word itself, esterification. So esterification means what? Esterification means the formation of ester. What does it mean? It means formation of what? Formation of ester. Okay. So how ester is going to be formed? How ester will be formed? It will be formed when acid, carboxylic acid reacts with what? It reacts with alcohol. It reacts with alcohol in the presence of what? In the presence of conc H2SO4 on heating. So conc H2SO4 always acts like what? As a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means what? Which is responsible for the removal of water. This is the agent only which is going to remove water from these two compounds, and then the final product that you are going to get is what? Ester plus water. So this is the word equation. Now we'll do the reaction. Let me take the general formula is what? RC double bond OH. This is your acid. This is acid, and this is your alcohol. This is alcohol. Now on reacting with conc H2SO4 on heating, where conc H2SO4 is what? It's just going to act as a dehydrating agent. It's not going to participate in the reaction. That means no product related to this sulfuric acid will be formed in the product side. Okay, class? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर जो है ये जो conc H2SO4 है, it's only going to act like what? As a dehydrating agent. Only as a dehydrating agent. So what ultimately you are going to get? You are going to get this OH and this H will be removed. यहाँ से H और यहाँ से क्या निकल जाएगा? OH निकल जाएगा. And then finally what are you going to get? You are going to get RC double bond O, OR plus what? Plus H2O. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी को?
No, ma'am.
इसको नोट करो पहले. इतना नोट करो.
H3 single bond C2H.
What is the
Single
formula?
bond C double OH.
C what? Again repeat it. Propanoic acid.
Ma'am, C2H5COOH.
C2H5COOH. Very good. सबने लिखा है ये. Plus what? Ethanol. So what is ethanol? What is ethanol? Tell me.
Ma'am, C2H5OH.
C2H5OH is ethanol. When it is heated in presence of conc H2SO4 on heating, what will you get as a product? What will you get as a product? H2O कहाँ से निकलेगा? From where are you going to remove H2O? From where you will remove H2O? Tell me. Anyone? Khushi?
Ethanol.
Tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
from where you are going to remove H2O. From where H2O will be removed.
Ma'am, from OH ethanol and C double OH से.
क्या? COOH से H निकल जाएगा? तो बचेगा
ma'am.
क्या? What will be left?
Ma'am, C2H5 C double O C
Hello.
plus C2H5 plus H2O.
Plus H2O. Very good. Very well said. But what is the name? Who will tell me the name? Kriti Raj. Kriti. 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 Hello, Kriti. Are you there? Priya Bharti. Kriti बोल रही है या प्रिया भारती? Who is speaking? Okay, who wants to tell me the name? चलो बोलो. What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? Quickly answer me. कोई नहीं.
मैम इथाइल प्रोपानोएट.
इथाइल ये क्या है? ऐसे बांट दो. अगर तो ये हो गया इथाइल और यहाँ 2 और 1 3 है तो क्या हो जाएगा? इथाइल प्रोपेनोएट. ठीक है. One more you want? One more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Presence of what? Conc H2SO4 on heating. What are you going to get? Are you able to see the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is going to tell me the formula of butanoic acid? Arul?
Ma'am, C.
Arul? Everybody knows the formula? Butanoic acid formula, all of you knows? Riyansh? चलो कोई भी बताओ. Anybody please tell me?
CH3,
C3,
CH2,
CH3. What CH3?
CH2,
C3H7.
CH2.
CH2, CH2, COOH.
CH3, CH2, CH2 फिर CH2.
No, ma'am.
COOH.
Okay, COOH. Plus what? Propanol, formula of propanol. What is the formula of propanol? कोई बताओ. What is the formula of propanol?
C3H8O.
C3H8. Is it correct? OH is okay.
C3H7OH.
It will be H7, not C3H8. It will be H7OH. In presence of conc H2SO4 on heating, what product will be formed? What is the product form? क्या प्रोडक्ट बनेगा बताइए.
Ma'am, CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, C3H7 plus H2O.
नाम क्या हो जाएगा इसका? What will be the name?
Ma'am, propyl butanoate.
प्रोपाइल. और ये 1 2 3 4 है तो प्रोपाइल ब्यूटानोएट. ओके, वन एंड ऑल.
Yes, ma'am.
सबको समझ में आ गया है esterification? So what is esterification? A reaction in which carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of conc H2SO4 on heating gives a sweet smelling substance ester is called what? Esterification. Definition clear है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is going to tell it again? What I have told? Whatever I have told, who is going to repeat? कौन बता सकता है? कौन बताएगा? It is here in the equation itself. A reaction in which,
Ma'am, esterification is a process in which is carbolic acid reacts with O2 in presence of
O2.
concrete.
No, carboxylic acid doesn't react with O2. Where it's reacting with O2? Please correct yourself. Correct yourself. अच्छे से बोलो.
Ma'am, when carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in the presence of conc H2SO4, then it gives the product ester and H2O. This process is called esterification.
ओके ठीक है, चलो फिर भी ठीक है। आप बस वहां पे लिखेंगे रिएक्शन इन विच कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड रिएक्ट्स विथ अल्कोहल इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कॉन्क H2SO4 which on heating gives a sweet smelling substance, जो कि ईस्टर का यूज होता है, परफ्यूम में यूज होता है, अरोमा के लिए यूज होता है, ठीक है, खुशबू के लिए। So this type of reaction is called what? Esterification. I hope the thing is clear to all of you. Next property क्या है? What is the next property? We have done C, D, E, and what is next?
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
O means what? Oxidation. For oxidation, oxidation means what? Oxidation. What does oxidation means? Oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen.
Addition of oxygen.
So addition of oxygen requires what? Oxidizing agent. Addition of oxygen क्या क्या आपको मिले, उसके लिए क्या चाहिए होगा? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट का। और हम ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट का यूज करेंगे एल्केलाइन KMNO4 का, या फिर एसिडिफाइड K2Cr2O7 का, ठीक है। एल्केलाइन KMNO4 और एसिडिफाइड K2Cr2O7 का यूज करेंगे, ठीक है। तो जब इथेनॉल C2H5OH को रिएक्ट करवाया जाएगा किसके प्रेजेंस में? KMNO4 के प्रेजेंस में, आइदर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ KMNO4 और यू कैन टेक acidified K2Cr2O7. On heating, what are you going to get? You are going to get this oxygen. This oxygen is called what? This is called nascent oxygen. What it is? Nascent. And nascent means what? It is in atomic form. Okay. So what are you going to get? You are going to get CH3. यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का नंबर बढ़ेगा। ये आवाज क्यों लगता है किसी का माइक खुला हुआ था। तो nascent oxygen क्या है? Atomic oxygen. And whenever any element is present in atomic form, it's very reactive. Why it's reactive? Because it is unstable. जब ये मॉलिक्यूल के फॉर्म में आ जाता है तो स्टेबल हो जाता है। जब तक एटम के फॉर्म में अनस्टेबल है, और जब कोई चीज एटम के फॉर्म में है, अनस्टेबल है, then it's more reactive. Okay, it's going to behave in a more reactive way. So what are we going to get? We are, this C2H5OH can also be written as CH3CH2OH. Okay. It can be written as what? CH3CH2OH. So from here,
Yes, ma'am.
H2O will be removed and oxygen will be added here. So what we will get? We will get CH3COOH plus what? H2O. And what is this? This is acetic acid. ये तो कॉमन नेम है, और ऐसे इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इथानोइक एसिड. ओके क्लास? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
No more questions? No more questions here? ये आपको बस
No, ma'am.
यही एक इक्वेशन याद करना होगा इथेनॉल में ऑक्सीडेशन में. And the last one, this is oxidation, and the last one is sodium metal test. What is the last one? Sodium metal test. Sodium metal test is used to test alcohol. Okay. In order to test whether the given organic compound is alcohol or not, you do sodium metal test. What happened in this? C2H5OH reacts with Na. What are we going to get? 2C2H5ONa plus what? Plus H2. So what is the name of this compound? This is sodium and this is etho oxide. This is etho oxide. So name is sodium etho oxide, and hydrogen gas is evolved here. So when hydrogen gas will be evolved, we'll come to know that the given compound is what? Is ethanol. या फिर हम esterification भी कर सकते हैं. If we add to this organic solvent acetic acid, ethanoic acid, and if we get a sweet smelling thing, then we'll get to know that this particular compound is what? Is ethanol. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now finally let us recall and see all the properties that we have done and what is common there. Okay, so C2H5OH. सबसे पहले क्या होगा बताओ? सबसे पहला first reaction, alphabetically you remember the properties.
Ma'am, combustion.
Reaction with O2. The second one,
Ma'am, dehydration.
in presence of what?
Ma'am, conc H2SO4.
Conc H2SO4. Third one,
Esterification.
with which compound?
Ma'am, with
Alcohol.
alcohol.
With alcohol. Alcohol itself is here. With alcohol and what? Acetic acid and ethanoic acid. C2CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. Presence of conc H2SO4. Next. Next.
Oxidation.
C2H5OH plus reacting, going to react with what? With nascent oxygen. In presence of alkaline KMNO4. Okay, in presence of alkaline KMNO4. And the last one, C2H5
Sodium metal test.
Sodium metal test.
reacting with Na. Okay, what you will get? So these are the five. How many? 5 properties, na? C, D, E, O, and S. Remember, if you are going to remember it in this way, you are never going to forget the property. Will you forget it? Will you forget?
No, ma'am.
यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिल रहा है? CO2 plus H2O. यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है? C2H4 plus H2O. यहाँ क्या मिल रहा है? CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O. यहाँ क्या मिल रहा है? CH3COOH plus H2O. यहाँ क्या मिल रहा है? C2H5ONA plus H2. Okay, note it down. एक जगह लिख लो सारा. जहां पर कंबशन है तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर ही मिलेगा. जहां पे conc H2SO4 है, there will be removal of water, so C2H4 will be formed. Here also conc H2SO4 is present, so H2O will be removed, OH and H will be removed. From this portion and this portion will be removed. Whatever will be left, that will be the product. In KMNO4, here also what is happening? Water is being removed and whatever is left is the product. Okay, class? This is the simple
Yes,
way to learn the things. Simple way में आप इसको अच्छी तरह से याद कर सकते हैं. Okay?